Masquera saying Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel, Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karikitanga kuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungwa garo ka subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasmare Zimbabwe tavigirai nyaya buditswa about Mike Chimombe zvinomira mushe zvikunzi the Zanu PF big wigs avo Varikuda Kuti the Central Committee member pamwechete nemumwe wake Moses Mpofu awanikwe achigara ari mujeri as they want him to rot in jail hanzi zvinomira mushe pane mafactions arimo muzanu PF vamwe vari kutaura vachiti Mike Chimombe should rot in jail. The others are saying he's a Zanu PF Central Committee member, so arikufanira kubuda mujeri. Tingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi nyaya yabuditswa nemyzimbabwe.com vachitaura vachiti the battle for freedom continues for Zanu PF Central Committee member Mike Chimombe and his business partner Moses Mpofu, who are facing charges of fraud related to a 9.2 million streetlights tender from Harare City Council. Despite their initial attempts to secure bail through High Court being rejected, the duo has returned to the Magistrates Court with a fresh application. The High Court, in a swift dismissal of their bail application, ordered them to first exhaust their options at the lower court before approaching them again. This came after another judge, Pisirai Kwenda, dismissed their appeal in a separate case involving a 7 million goat supply scheme fraud. Now, back in the magistrate court, Chimombe and Mpofu are fighting tooth and nail to secure their release. Their lawyers argue that the state's case is weak and that they are being unfairly targeted. They maintain that the company which won the tender, Juluka Projects Limited, should be the ones facing charges, not them. It is applicants' defense that a re-tender is the same tender as an applicant can use the same receipt, their lawyers argue. In any case, there are no misrepresentations because that receipt contained the same representations of the date on when the amount was paid, the amount paid, to whom it was paid, and in respect of which the tender was paid. Applicants did not state in their representations that it was a now new receipt, thus representations were true. The lawyer further stated that Chimombe and Mpofu consulted with Seat of Harare officials regarding their documents, and these documents were approved. They also dismissed allegations that the duo received a 260,000 US payment, stating that they only received 206,000 for work already undertaken. The state does not allege that which of the applicants received money personally, if at all, after the alleged commission of the offense, which clearly shows a characteristic of victimization which ought to be frowned upon by the courts, as the courts cannot be used as a conduit to abuse the criminal justice system, their lawyer argued. Such frowning can be achieved by admitting the applicants to bail, since there is no iota of the state case that can stand the test of time. Put differently, the state case is manifestly doomed to fail. Chimombe, however, went a step further, accusing unnamed powerful figures within Zanu PF of orchestrating his downfall. He claims that he is being targeted for political reasons, and that his continued denial of bail is a testament to the influence of these individuals well-willed. I am being victimized by people with a political agenda, Chimombe told the court. I am not associated with Juluka Projects and Plant Hire Limited in any way. I am not a member, employee, director, or a shareholder of Juluka Projects Limited. In any event, Juluka Projects Limited is not even charged with any criminal allegations. Chimombe's lawyer, Ashel Mugia, echoed these sentiments, stating that the 206,000 in question was not received by Chimombe, but was a payment made by the Seat of Harare for services rendered by Mpofu's company. This was not an advance payment. It was an invoiced amount because Mpofu's company had already done the work, Magia said. Mpofu for his part, also denied any wrongdoing, claiming that he was merely a director of a company that won the tender and was not directly involved in the tender process. He is charged in his personal capacity when in actual fact a company called Juluka Projects Limited, which is a separate legal entity, was the one which was awarded the tender by the seat of Harare. He was not the direct contact person who handled tenders on behalf of Juluka Projects Limited, Mugia said. Mpofu further denied submitting a bid document containing false statements as alleged. The magistrate, Mrewana Zogofa, has remanded the matter to the next Tuesday for a ruling on the bail application. The state, represented by Ernest Suchirenge, has been given until then to file a written response. The case of Chimombe and Mpofu has become a hot topic in Zimbabwean politics, with many speculating about the true motivations behind their arrest and the relentless pursuit of their incarceration. The fact that both men are prominent figures within Zanu PF has added fuel to the fire, with whispers of internal power struggles and political vendettas swirling around the case. Ndonya yakabuditswa muri Zimbabwe nemai zimbabwe.com achitaura iwo achiti zvinomira mushe Chimombe akabuda achitaura iye achiti is being targeted nemapoliticians panyaya yake iyi. Kutaura kwatiri kuita Chimombe ari kunzi nyaya dzake yakakandwa muna October, hanzi ndo kwayakakandwa kuti awanikwe achinzwikwa kutopiwa bail here kana kuti ndofunga mazuva apfuura the judge ari kutonga nyaya yakanga ataura iye achiti Chimombe akapiwa bail zvaizokonzeresa an unrest yaizowanikwa ichidisturba the SADC summit. Sikaziva kuti SADC summit zvaipera kudai achawanikwa achipiwa bail here kana kuti. Kutaura kwatiri kuita his friend Passion Java akafailawo a report kumapurisa achitaura iye achiti akabirwa 300,000 nana Mike Chimombe in this street lights tender, and they lured him kuti awanikwa achiinvesta 300,000 mu this tender deal, and but mari yake haana kudzorerwa. Tisingaziva kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi. Tiudze zvamuri pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section, kuti Mike Chimombe ane mhosva chaizvo here kana kuti he is being targeted nenyaya yekuexposa kwaakaita kuprint kwamaballot papers muno muZimbabwe nanaWicknell Chivayo. Tiudze zvamuri pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.